Yes, my friends, you're watching here at Doriwala Square Building, lift number. It's second floor where we are going to Saree segment. If we talk about Kesaria Textile Manufacturers, the first floor is full of packing, billing section, kurtis, ready-made suit material, Western collections. And coming to second floor, here you're watching here the colorful festival season varieties of rapier silk segment. So today I'm going to take to you rapier silk segment varieties for 2026 August September latest collections of elegant, stylish, stunning, colorful of traditional full touch meets of rapier silk sarees. So keep watching this video, my friends. Subscribe the channel. If you're watching first time, please regularly follow where you can purchase with a wholesale price and you can start your saree business, silk boutique or rapier silk shop or home-based business, online business. So friends, you can also follow Rani Talks Tamil and Telugu Instagram and even YouTube also. So there also I'm sharing you lot many information, helpful product collections also where you can purchase and you can contact directly. So let's see the collections, the beautiful, lovely collections of rapier silk segment with the wholesale. Every design you can find out new varieties with color charts set to set. So today, if I talk about this varieties of this segment, the starting price is 250 rupees and up to you have a 2000 to 3000 rupees of range of silk varieties. So let's quickly, I'll show you. Even if you're from Singapore, Malaysia, Canada, France, and Los Angeles, you want to travel and the season time, and especially December to March, April, you travel, you can also do. Now, currently, you can purchase some through online. The beautiful, lovely color, one of the peacock blue shade, lovely, presentable jacquard silk, heavy sari, weaving come print, I can say, multi-designer sari. The glossy silk sarees, this is very pretty, and I just want to show you rose milk. I don't know how many of you like rose milk juice. I like it's really good to take the same color. Whenever I look at this color, the rose milk comes in front of my eyes. So this is one of the patterns. So silver butta matte look, coming to the traditional touch with the Rani color, with a beautiful Rama green color with the weaving work. This is also one of the sari. So in this also you can find out the color charts. When coming to the traditional touch with the rapier silk segment, you have a beautiful traditional border with beautiful weaving sari with the golden color with the cream color. Again, I just want to tell you the satin border with the gap border red color, coming to the white with beautiful golden red. So Kerala, especially Kerala people, these kind of collections, they really love it. For the special weddings also, they used to wear these kind of collections for the Onam functions, Onam festivals also. And coming to the next pattern, which is beautiful parrot green, I can say Paitani, one of the Maharashtra sign of the Paitani with the lotus with the beautiful peacock design. I can show you the lovely color with the bold butta weaving saris. I need a stylish designer. The mirror work with the zigzag pattern with the beautiful, lovely work of the sari. So see this how the Siroski work has been done. Entire sari is having the corners. So this kind of unique work. Coming to traditional touch with this very stylish, very classy look. People for the professionals, I can just show you the professional working ladies, even for the who are in the elections office, who are the MLA females, wear these kind of saris also, where look gives very formal look saris, checks pattern, these kind of functionable come official. You can cover it in this one of the sari. You can see the brinjal, the dark purple color, I can say over here. This is one of the sari. Coming to half white with the stylish foil golden with the maroon color finishing touch, unique leaf pattern. This is the Butta weaving, beautiful sari of the pallu. Coming to premium uniformic saris with the purple or navy blue, which goes with the Rama green traditional. So very classy, very formal, matte look with the navy blue, coming with the magenta color with the mini traditional Mahalakshmi borders. So all these kind of varieties you can purchase from 250 to 2000 to 3000 range of varieties from rapier silk segment. Hurry up resellers, retailers, and especially the new woman entrepreneur. I want to become an entrepreneur. I want to start up my reselling business. You can contact these kind of varieties where many more collections where you can purchase at wholesale price. So please visit Kesaria Manufacturers, which is located at Gujarat State, Surat City, where you can travel all over the world. From railway station, it takes just 3 minutes. So if you're traveling from airport, directly takes half an hour to 30 to 45 minutes. These kind of boxes also you can purchase. You can also do your branding logo, etc., etc. So hope you enjoyed these kind of rapier silk. Next video we'll meet with new more collections and latest updates. Keep supporting me and don't forget to share your name and city, from which city you're watching the video, and share the link with everyone. Please follow Rani Talks Tamil and Telugu page also in Instagram and YouTube. I'm sharing there also informations, lot many for you. So next video we'll meet. Until then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye, friends.